Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Chroma Bonding Color Mask is probably one of the most versatile and effective hair treatments available today, designed to not only enhance your hair's color vibrancy but also to deeply nourish and repair damaged strands, making it an essential addition to your haircare routine for achieving salon-quality results right at home. This innovative formula works by infusing your hair with rich pigments while simultaneously strengthening the hair cuticle, leaving your locks feeling softer, looking shinier, and boasting a more intense, long-lasting hue that resists fading. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus, your ultimate solution for hair repair. This powerful treatment is designed to restore your hair's health and vitality. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It actively repairs damage, transforming your hair from within. Experience immediate repair like never before. You'll notice softer, stronger hair with every use, making it a vital part of your hair care routine. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is formulated for you. It addresses damage and enhances the natural beauty of all hair textures. Say goodbye to damaged hair and hello to resilience. It leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft and looking visibly stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. What we like. This is a powerful pre-shampoo treatment designed for immediate repair. It works to strengthen hair bonds, making your hair softer and stronger. If you have significantly damaged hair and are looking for a quick, effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. My hair felt softer, stronger, and with much less frizz. With continued use, it looks healthier and is much easier to manage. It's not heavy and doesn't leave my hair greasy. It feels like a real treatment that works from within, not just another conditioner. My hair is nowhere near 100% healthy, but the areas that felt gummy now either do not feel gummy at all, or are about 75% improved. Number 4. Bold Uniq Purple Hair Mask. Are you struggling with unwanted yellow tones in your blonde, platinum, or silver hair? Our purple hair mask is here to help neutralize those brassy hues and restore your desired shade. This toner is specifically designed for blonde, platinum, silver, gray, and ash hair types. It effectively removes yellow tones, leaving your hair looking vibrant and refreshed. Beyond toning, it deeply conditions dry and damaged hair. Experience softer, smoother, and healthier looking locks with every use. Our formula is crafted to be gentle yet effective. It works to enhance your hair color while providing essential nourishment. Feel good about your hair care choices. This product is proudly cruelty-free and vegan, so you can achieve beautiful hair responsibly. Whether your hair is blonde, bleached, silver, or ash, this mask is your go-to solution. It's designed to perfect and maintain your light hair color. What we like. This mask is specifically formulated to tone blonde, platinum, and bleached hair. It effectively removes yellow tones while conditioning dry, damaged strands. If you're aiming for a cool-toned blonde or silver shade and need to combat brassiness, this is a great choice. What people say. This turned all of my hair a silver color and reduced the transition line, and really brightened it up. The yellowing is gone and my hair looks shiny and has beautiful silver undertones and not just white. This bold Uniq purple hair mask lightened and neutralized the brassiness in my hair noticeably during the first few uses. Number 3. Schwarzkopf ChromaID Intense Blue Bonding Color Mask. Discover the power of Schwarzkopf ChromaID. This intense blue bonding color mask is designed to revitalize your hair color. Achieve stunning, vibrant blue tones with this advanced formula. It's perfect for refreshing your current color or making a bold statement. Our innovative bonding technology works from within the hair shaft. It helps to strengthen and protect your strands while coloring. This mask not only colors but also nourishes your hair. Enjoy softer, smoother, and more manageable hair with every use. Applying this mask is simple and effective. Achieve professional-looking results in the comfort of your own home. Whether your hair is lightened, colored, or natural, this mask can enhance its vibrancy. Experience the difference it makes. What we like. This is an intense color mask with advanced bonding technology. It's designed to revitalize and refresh hair color while strengthening it. If you have colored hair and want to maintain vibrancy or add a bold hue, this is the product for you. What people say. It revived my blue hair, which has faded to pale blue and yellowish green, with a slight tint of purple. Love the color. Also, it does not stain my cloths, which is a huge plus. Unsure of why, there are people in the reviews complaining that a purple depositing hair mask turned their hair purple. Mo. These are not toning masks. Please read product descriptions before giving a bad review when it was actually a user error. By the way, the purple is a gorgeous bold purple if you use on a level 9 or 10. Once I dry my hair after I shower, it looks like I just went to the hair salon for a touch-up. Super worth it. The best way to upkeep my purple hair at low cost and looking fresh. Number 2. Fanola No Yellow Purple Hair Mask. Discover the ultimate solution for blonde, bleached, and gray hair. This mask is designed to deeply condition and revitalize your locks. Tired of unwanted yellow and brassy tones? Our advanced formula effectively neutralizes them, leaving your hair with a pure, vibrant shade. Experience intense hydration with its acidic pH. It provides deep conditioning, making your hair feel soft, smooth, and manageable. Infused with a powerful violet pigment, it works to enhance and maintain the cool tones of your hair color. Perfect for anyone with blonde, bleached, or gray hair. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. Simply apply to damp hair after shampooing, leave on for a few minutes, and rinse. It's that easy to achieve stunning results. What we like. This mask offers intense violet pigment to neutralize brassy and yellow tones in blonde, bleached, and gray hair. Its acidic pH provides deep conditioning for smoother results. If you have lightened hair and need to combat unwanted yellow hues while deeply nourishing your strands, this is an excellent option. What people say. This purple shampoo is very purple and works just like the more expensive versions, and a little goes a long way. I use this 1 or 2 times a week on my highlighted blonde hair to combat the brassiness, and this helps immensely. This stuff is amazing and so reasonably priced compared to salon brands. I have blonde highlights that would eventually get yellow or bronzy over time, but not with this stuff. It tones the yellow out so well that they look like fresh highlights. Number 1. Fanola No Yellow Hair Mask. Are you struggling with unwanted yellow and brassy tones in your lightened hair? Discover the solution you've been looking for. This innovative hair mask is specifically designed to combat those stubborn yellow hues. It's perfect for anyone with platinum, light blonde, gray, bleached, or highlighted hair. Infused with powerful purple-violet pigments, it works to neutralize yellow tones effectively. Achieve a cooler, more vibrant shade with every use. Say goodbye to brassiness and hello to brighter, cooler-toned hair. It helps maintain the integrity of your desired shade. Simply apply this mask to your damp hair and leave it on for a few minutes. Rinse thoroughly and reveal refreshed, beautifully toned locks. Give your blonde, gray, or highlighted hair the care it deserves. It revitalizes and brightens, leaving your hair looking its best. What we like. This mask uses potent violet pigments to eliminate unwanted yellow and brassy tones. It's perfect for platinum, light blonde, gray, and bleached hair. If you're looking for a compact solution to keep your light hair looking fresh and vibrant on the go, this smaller size is ideal. What people say. The color mask is a game changer for maintaining vibrant hair color between salon visits. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft and looking shiny, without any greasy residue. I love how easy it is to apply, and the scent is pleasant, not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.